Hi, I'm Sarah Rick, and I'll be singing Where Have All the Sleepers Gone by VeggieTales. Now it's time for a scare Broadway show tunes with Larry. Part of the show where Larry comes out and sings a scare Broadway show tune. Without further ado, for the unknown musical office supplies, the heart-rending love song, Where Have All the Staplers Gone? We don't have time before the big meeting. No, we don't. Have you seen the scissors mess? They're in the bottom drawer. I tried that door, but they're there no more. That's odd. I know I thought for sure. Have you seen the masking tape? It's right next to the phone. That's what I thought, but now it's not. I guess I should have known. Oh, where have all the staplers gone? What happened to our paper clips? The ballpoint pens are gone again. Sticky pads have lost their sting. Do you remember when the rubber bands were in their place? They're in a metal drawer. The light bulb's easy to replace. Yes, there were always more. Rain will pay, but rain down, raining down. Legal pads of lenity. Highlighters in every hue. I remember never lasts that 20. Oh, where have all the staplers gone? What happened to our paper clips? The ballpoint pens are gone again. We run out of packing slips. Someday my press will come, please replace the toner. Someday we'll find more our manila folder. Someday my press will come, where's the printer table? Someday we'll find more run and easy peeling label. Where have all the staplers gone? What happened to our paper clips? The ballpoint pens are gone again. The strawberry ball have lost its taste. Where have all the staplers gone?
Obscure Broadway show tunes with Larry. Tune in for Act 2, Revenge of the Staplers.
Thanks for watching. If you want to request more below, put them in the comments. Bye!